What is a parapet wall? Why do we need parapet wall? Dear friends, a parapet wall is a wall that builds at the edge of a roof to prevent people or objects from falling off. Parapets usually provide around the perimeter of buildings and have various functions, including adding aesthetic appeal and protecting against damage. Depending on their use and placement on a building, parapets can build in various ways. The function of the parapet wall provides safety for the building occupants as it prevents them from falling over at the edges of the roof. Increases the utility area of the building as people can freely use roofs, balconies, and other open spaces. A parapet wall is an architectural element that enhances the aesthetic appeal of a building. Apart from acting as a safety barrier, a parapet wall also acts as a barrier for vision by ensuring the privacy of space. It also blocks the outsider's view of equipment like pumps, tools, etc. Without parapet walls, the wind forces would act on the edges of the building. Parapet walls prevent that and reduce the pressure difference at the edges of the building. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.